Well, guys, welcome back to the Dustin Lansdale YouTube channel. And today I'm showing you how I did the Honda engine swap on a John Deere 60 skid steer. Alright, whatever, I went and got this thing. It's still work in progress. I didn't video the whole process because it was way too long. I've been going on about 3 weeks on this. Whatever, I got it. And I got the engine with it, and it was kind of just sitting in here, so we welded some plates up. Not a pretty design, but whatever, that was on the bottom of the engine, and so I just welded it in there. I really wanted to cut a hole in the bottom. I'll probably go back and do that because this is the original fuel tank. Right here's where the fuel went in. I'll probably cut a hole in the bottom of it and put the bolts all the way through this plate. That way the motor don't ever go nowhere. They was trying to put a chain here, so I went to Tractor Supply. I got pulleys and a belt, and this is sort of the original pump. It's a lot bigger than the original hydraulic pump. This one runs the lift. This one right here runs these 2 wheels, and that one runs them 2 wheels. That's hydrostat. And y'all are probably wondering how that belt is hooked to the other side. And when I got it, the other people had welded that pulley to where the crank rope cover went, because to run this thing you need an engine with a crankshaft coming out both sides. That seems to work. Not pretty, but it works. Like I said, the pump right here, I would have rather it been direct drive, but I like the belt because it gives me a little more torque. The way I got the pulley set up on my pump, so don't bog the motor down. And other than that, I'm looking at some tires. I had to change filters because when I got it, it wouldn't go. So I went to Tractor Supply and I found that filter, and that's for a log splitter, and it screws on there perfect. And that was one from Walmart. It didn't actually fit. I just rethreaded it and made it screw on there. But later on, I'm gonna pull it off and go buy another one of them. But them are like $21 a piece. That one's $5. And the hydraulic fluid's freaking nasty. I've been trying to change it, but I think it holds like 14 gallons or something. The whole bottom of this thing is a tank, like the whole bottom where all the motors and lines and stuff are and chains that run the wheels is immersed in hydraulic fluid. But other than that, I got some tubes and I got 2 new rims, and so I'm gonna try to put 4-wheeler tires on there. I don't know if they'll hold up the weight. But this is where I'm at today, so maybe I'll get her together. I need to figure out how to put an end on this line to connect it back to right here and get that done. But it's pretty cool. It's kind of small, you know. I pulled it with my Nissan pickup out there, freaking all the way back from Oklahoma, about 180 miles. But yeah, I pulled it with the old Nissan just on the 4-wheeler trailer, and I got a bucket for it. It's got this bucket right here. I don't know if it'll hold the whole thing full of dirt because it's pretty good size. So I'll put in there, but it just kind of latches on. But maybe I'll get her put together, and I'll come back turn the camera back on when I get the tires on it and go test drive it. What do y'all think? I went and found some car tires and put on it. 5 lug. Had to cut out the center with the plasma cutter, but it is looking pretty good now. Got some serious ground clearance, but the only thing, I don't know if my bucket will go all the way down. guys, this is going to be the end of the John Deere 60 skid steer part 1 or whatever. And hope y'all like it. If you like this kind of videos, always like and subscribe. I don't know if I said what engine that was. That's a Honda GX 390 is what we put in there. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not positive. But yeah, I'm going to get a seat put in it and all that. And like I said, like and subscribe. And I'll see what I come with up next. Try to make some videos running her a little bit. For all the mini truck fans, the mini truck's gone. I ended up trading it for a Rhino and then trading the Rhino for the skid steer. And I think it was worth it. It's been a lot more fun than the mini truck. And I can do a lot more with it. The diesel four-wheeler, it had its run. I know everybody liked that video. And I went ahead and sold it to get money for parts and projects, you know, for the mini truck. Coming up to this, had to do what I had to do. But all right, everybody, peace out. Like and subscribe.